I'm kind of disappointed. Really worked hard for this. Just pass. That I could never be Elwood. जो सबसे गंदा गया था, I did not give a shit about. मुझे जिन लोगों की बैक लगी उनसे मार पड़ेगी if I say this. To my CGPA. Hello guys. So my results are out. For context, let me tell you, I'm a first year BCom student. I was a first year BCom student. Right now, I'm just unemployed. But my results came yesterday and I thought, you know what, let me make a result reaction video and overshare on the internet. I feel like मैंने इस एग्जाम्स के लिए इतनी ज़्यादा मेहनत करी थी because कुछ चीज़ें हुई थी and I just like had to prove myself after everything that had happened in my second semester. These were like my end terms and honestly they did end me. By the end of these exams, I was not even a living person and it would literally be an understatement to say कि मैं पागल हो गई थी. I was stressing myself for these exams. I did not have to, but because I am an academic weapon and I have been an academic weapon all my life, I just felt like I had to. Like, I don't know, I think it's just elder daughter thing. Like, that's just how my brain works. So do not say shit in the comment section कि ये बंदी बेकार में पागल हो रही थी. It's just exams, it's not the end of the world. Trust me, for Manasvi Jankanawar, it is the end of the world. Anyway, बहुत बकवास कर ली. अब actual में result देखते हैं. We have our results over here. Okay, and I'm gonna talk about grade I have gotten. हमें actually marks नहीं मिलते हैं and our grading is relative. So this is what I have gotten. Business statistics और मेरा ये वो exam है जो सबसे गंदा गया था. I was so panicked after this exam कि मेरा exam गंदा गया है and I kept asking my friend कि इसका आंसर ये था कि इसका आंसर वो था. मैं पागल हो गई थी. I got an A on this. Very happy because I have sacrificed a lot and a lot of sleep for this exam. Environmental studies इसके हमारे सिर्फ मिड टर्म्स थे, कोई एंड टर्म्स वगैरह कुछ नहीं था. ये एक 2 क्रेडिट का 2 कौड़ी का कोर्स था that I did not give a shit about and I got an A on that as well. Honestly, why not an A plus? I literally got a 19 on 20 in my midterm. Why not an A plus? So I am kind of disappointed. Next we have human resource management. Loki, I really like the subject. I feel like it was the most chill subject I had. इसमें मुझे बस पढ़ के जाना था. 4 keywords याद करने थे, which is employee welfare, employee retention, employee attrition, and bullshit like that. So I bullshitted my way into this exam and got an A plus. I deserve a pat on my back for this. Next up, we have management accounting. This exam के टाइम पे मैं सो नहीं पाई, but I still ended up getting an A plus. And then coming to principle of macroeconomics exam में ना मैं बता गया था कि 20 मार्क का एक पूरा मॉड्यूल आने वाला है और उस मॉड्यूल में सिर्फ ग्राफ्स थे, okay? And mind you, I have taken approximately 12 to 13 hours across the span of 2 days trying to study that module, understanding it completely, and explaining it twice to my friends. After giving such an amazing exam, I end up getting an A on it. Like, where's that A plus? Honestly, I'm kind of disappointed in myself. The corporate and business law, guys, this was the subject that made me realize that I could never be Elwoods, I could never be a law student, and I am very glad that I chose BCom as a degree or I chose finance as a background for my professional career because I had such a tough time memorizing this entire subject. I did work hard for it though. उस प्रोफेसर ने मुझे लास्ट सेमेस्टर में अपने सब्जेक्ट में मुझे B दिया था and I kind of took that personally. And I worked hard and I got an A plus on this. So again, I think I deserve it. I'm gonna add a screenshot of my result because everybody thinks all people do on the internet is lie and they're not wrong about it. So I'm gonna prove my marks. Anyways, I hope इससे मुझे नजर ना लगे because I feel like I'm acting a little too cocky. Trust me guys, I'm not like this. I'm a very humble person. My GPA this semester, that was 9.55 and coming to my CGPA, it was a 9.2. My पिछले semester का marks is like a completely different story. Even if you're in college, I feel like तुम्हारे पास एक भोंदू सब्जेक्ट होगा which would be business communication और मेरे पास भी वो भोंदू सब्जेक्ट था and उसमें मुझे E आए थे. I was just pass in business communication. That dropped my first sem का GPA from maybe more than 9 to like 8.8. I feel like मेरा CGPA भी थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा आ जाता, like 9.4 and 9.5 तक आ जाता. Honestly, it was not even my fault. Because my professor, he just did not like giving us marks. But it's alright. I think I am fairly happy about what I have scored. Like, having a CGPA above a 9 in your first year, I feel like मेरे लिए तो was a must and like I had to do it. So I am glad that happened and that was my result this exam. I hope you did not find this like too irritating. Genuinely really worked hard for this and It was a very hard week, but looking at my result, even though a few things kind of disappoint me, I feel like मुझे जिन लोगों की back लगी उनसे मार पड़ेगी if I say this. But still, I am happy with it, and that was my result, guys. And I promise I'm gonna make like a result reaction after every semester ke exams, even if it's bad, even if I fail, still gonna do it for you guys. And yeah, if you're here for the first time, do check out my other videos as well. I promise I am fun and funny and also a little motivating, so you can watch me all the time. Bye bye, and I'm gonna see you in more videos.